This is the tutorial video for users of HaweliPe. HaweliPe is a free application that is available on Play Store. You can install it by searching on the tab of the Play Store, or you can click on the link that is provided by the owner. HaweliPe application will provide you all the rents that is available nearby your location. So we need the location permission to find out your location, or you can search on any location in India. So first, install the application, open the application. You will see here you get the notification to allow the location permission. After giving the location permission, click on the find button, and here you can see there is one red dot. That is the property registered with the HaweliPe. You can see the details, price range, and all the contact details in that application in that HaweliPe. So to join that Haveli, you need to log in. Here we are using Google to log in. Your data is secured with us, and it is secured with the server also. So you don't need to worry about that. After that, you can go to home and refresh it that you have previously any Havelis or not, or you can go to find and click on the button and see, click on the more info to get the more information about the Havelis. And if you live here, you can click I live here, and here you will get all the room details of that Haveli. Here, top private limited. If you really live in any flat, click on that and it will send a request for approval. After approval from the admin, you'll be able to see your flat details. So currently it's in the pending state. So let's wait for the admin to approve this. Here, now I get the notification that my flat is approved by the admin. Now when I click on this button, you can see all the details of your flat, the owner details, name, their mail ID, contact details, also the new electric bill and how much you need to pay, and the rent amount that is pending and total paid amount, even the advance. You can simply click on the pay now button here to pay the amount, or you can send it via cash to the owner and he will update it in the application. Here if you click on the pay now, you will promote to the payment gateway of our application. Here we have the due date. You can click on the due date to add it to calendar. It will create a repeating event in your calendar on each month of that day. So here I'm creating paying my rent. So I can click on the pay now and it will transfer you to the payment gateway. Here you can select different payment methods to pay it. Card, UPI, PayPal or net banking. After a successful payment, it will be reflected inside your application. Also, it will update it to the owner. So if you like our application, you can share it with your friends or you can send us your feedback about our application. We are continuously improving our application. So if any features you required, you can send it to us directly. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.